Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 3.2 4th question. Find the value of A for which the straight lines 3x plus 4y is equal to 13. Your second line is 2x minus 7y is equal to minus 1. And the third line is ax minus y minus 14 is equal to 0 are concurrent. The same like you will have your sum in your example 3.8. Okay. So you can refer there. So just see, it is given equal to 13 and here equal to minus 1. So first we'll have to rewrite it. Okay. Take this constant towards your left hand side. So I'll get it as rewriting the given lines. So your first line is 3x plus 4y. Here equal to 13 is there, so if you bring it towards your left hand side, it will become minus 13 is equal to 0. The second line again minus 1 is there, just you will have to take it to your left hand side. So I will get it as 2x minus 7y, minus 1 will become plus 1 which is equal to 0. And your third line as it is they are given in the format, so you can leave it as it is. So ax minus y minus 14 which is equal to 0. Now the condition for concurrency is the lines are concurrent if determinant of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is equal to 0. First line, the coefficient of x we'll have to write it as A1. Coefficient of y is b1 and your constant is c1. Same way in your second line, this is a2 and b2, c2. And for your third line, coefficient of x is a3 and here coefficient of y is b3 and your constant is c3. Now just substitute all these values in your determinant. So your determinant value is a1, b1, c1. Here it is 3 plus 4 minus 13. So 3, 4 minus 13. The second is 2 minus 7, 1. 2 minus 7, 1. And for your third line, A is only given. So A minus 1 minus 14. So A minus 1 minus 14 which is equal to, you can declare it as equal to 0. So equal to this 3 and minor of 3 is removing the column and the row. So you'll get this values. Okay, so minus 7 and minus 14 when you multiply you get it as 98 minus from the format. Minus 1 and 1 when you multiply you get minus 1. So minus into minus will become plus, so you can write it as 1. Then you know the format plus, minus and plus. This minus you'll have to give it here. This 4 and the minor of 4 you'll have to find it. So removing the regarding column and the row, these 4 numbers will be there. So 2 into minus 14 you'll get minus 28. Then minus from the format a into 1 you'll get a. Then minus this 13. Open your bracket. Then the minor of minus 13 you'll have to find it. So removing the regarding row and the column, these 4 numbers you will have. So 2 into minus 1 you will have minus 2. Then minus into minus you will get plus. A into 7 you will get 7a which is equal to this 0. So which implies you will get 3 into 98 plus 1 you will get 99. Minus into minus will become plus. 4 into 28 you will get 112. Again minus into minus will get plus. 4 into a, 4a. Now again minus into minus will get plus. 13 into 2 is 26. Again this 13 you will have to multiply it here. So minus into plus is minus. 13 into 7 you will get 91. You got one a, put that a, that is equal to 0. Equal to 3 into 99 you will get it as 297. Then plus 112. 4a and minus 91a is there. So if you subtract you will get minus 87a. And here plus 26 is there. You can write that 26 which is equal to 0. which implies keep this minus 87a as it is. Add all these three numbers, you will get it as 435, which is equal to 0. So which implies minus 87a is equal to, if you take this plus 435 towards your right hand side, so it will become minus 435. That implies a is equal to minus 435. This 87 minus 87, that is there in multiplication. If you take out towards your right hand side, it will come to division, minus 87 will be there. So minus and minus you can cancel. So a is equal to 87 and 435. If you cancel, you will get 5 times. So you can do with your calci. So the answer is 5. They've asked you to find the value of a. So we have got the value of a is equal to 5. This is the answer for your fourth question. Fifth question, a manufacturer produces 80 TV sets at a cost of rupees 2,20,000 and 125 TV sets at the cost of rupees 2,87,500. Assuming the cost curve to be linear, find the linear expression of the given information. Also estimate the cost of 95 TV sets. We'll have to find it. Okay. So same like example, you'll have it in your example 3.9. You can refer that and see over there. So let capital X represent the TV sets. TV sets are given. Okay. So that you can declare it as capital X, and Y represent the cost of TV. Okay, so therefore the cost you can declare as Y. Okay, now just represent this in your table. So your X and your Y. So X is your TV and your Y is your cost. So X is 80. The cost of 80 TVs is 2,20,000 rupees. 2,20,000. Next is 125 TVs. The cost for that is 2,87,500. So rupees 2,87,500. So you can put that values in your table. So assuming the cost curve to be linear, they have given the lines are linear. Therefore you can write it as the equation of straight lines expressing the given information as a linear equation in X and Y is, so your formula is Y minus Y1 divided by Y2 minus Y1 is equal to X minus X1 divided by X2 minus X1. Now you will have to substitute these values in your formula. You can take this as X1 and X2, and here this is Y1 and Y2. Now substituting in your formula, you will get it as Y minus your Y1 is 2,20,000. So 2,20,000 divided by Y2 is 2,87,500. So 2,87,500 minus Y1 is again 2,20,000. Which is equal to X minus X1. Keep your X as it is, minus X1 is 80 divided by X2 is 125 minus again X1 is 80. Now going to your solving, which implies numerator as it is Y minus 2,20,000 divided by 2,87,500 minus 2,20,000, you will get it as 67,500, which is equal to, this numerator as it is x minus 80 divided by 125 minus 80, you will get it as 45. Now we can cancel this 67,500 and 45. You will get it as 1,500. Every calculation you can do with your calci. Okay. So that implies y minus this 2,20,000 as it is divided by 1,500 is equal to x minus 80 you will have. Now cross multiplying this 1,500, you will get it as y minus 2,20,000 is equal to 1,500 into x minus 80. Now this as it is y minus 2,20,000 is equal to 1,500 into x, you will get 1,500x, minus plus into minus you will get minus 1,500 into 80, you will get it as 1,20,000. So that implies keep your y as it is here, take everything towards that side, so which is equal to 1,500x minus 2,20,000. If you take it towards your right hand side, it will become plus 2,20,000, and this minus 1,20,000 as it is. So which implies y is equal to 1,500x, subtracting you will get plus 1 lakh. So this is your linear equation, and they have asked you to find, also estimate the cost of 95 TV sets. Therefore, the cost of 95 TV sets is equal to, you can write it as x is equal to 95 in your linear equation. Okay, here you can just mark this as equation 1. So in equation 1, you will have to substitute, instead of x, you will have to put 95. Therefore, your y is equal to 1,500 into x is there, so give 95 plus this 1 lakh as it is. So y is equal to 1,500 into 95, you will get it as 1,42,500 plus again this 1 lakh. So which is equal to, adding you will get it as 2,42,500. Therefore the cost of 95 TV sets is equal to rupees 2,42,500. So this is the answer for your 5th question.